Mali ako na kinuha damit. Ang kinuha ko doon. Uwi talaga. What do you want from me?
Ano cover up mo, girl? Ano cover up mo? Kulay? Ano yan?
Putik na yan. Di na mapantay-pantay.
Kuya na lang kung ano gusto niya.
Hindi nga ako nag-sunscreen ngayon kasi tinatamad ako eh.
Tami, maglalanter tayo.
Okay yan.
Masusunog ka.
Okay yun. Galit yung mama ko. Sorry, Mom! Alam mo yung yeet-yeet skirt. Alam mo?
Ano yan? Parang skibidi toilet.
Hindi! Sino ba to? Yung ex ni Kim Kardashian na puti. Sino ba yun? Yung rapper. You know him. Yung kasama niya si Timothy Chalamet. Skirt! Hold up! Roll up! Hindi mo alam? Pakita ko sa'yo mamaya. Tawa ako doon. You never love me, Mom. Ganda yun. Pakita ko sa'yo kasi tawang-tawa talaga ako. Every time na duwadaan yun sa FYP ko, lagi kong pinapatugtog.
Wala naman
Sino ba may kasalanan?
Isang beses ka iikot sa pupayan si Enchong ay tatlo.
Ayan.
Doon pala ko kakampi kita dyan.
Kaya pala malakas loob niya. Akala niya kakampi ka daw niya.
No, I'm always for the girls.
Pero hindi eh, nag-umpisa ka eh. Na para bang wala siyang paasa.
Para bang natuto na siya mo. Kahit may yan sa Ate Bea, sa kanya ako kakampi. Ay, talaga lang. Tcharan! I'm done. Say hello to the vlog. Bilis, tatlo tayo. Bilisan mo na.
Hi, vlog! Ayun, wala pa ako.
Bye. Bye, Ma. Bikilayan mo lang.
My turn. Second batch.
Tapos mag-research kasi ako. Ito muna. Wait lang.
Okay, hold on. You gonna respect this. You never love me
So, yan to. Kasi, ano to, SNL?
Oo.
Tawang-tawa na siya, Ma.
Sa
Nawawala na
Prina.
siya sa character. Tawang-tawa talaga ako. Toki! Di wag. Ayaw niya sa akin.
Wow! So, tingin. Wow!
Hindi na umuulan. I'm so happy. Sana mamayang parasailing. Paraw sailing. Hindi na rin umuulan. Para maganda yung sunset namin. And then, nagpuputo-photo lang kami here. Tapos kakain kami sa K-Kitchen for our free breakfast buffet. So, here. So cute. Pakita ko pala yung nails ko. Look at the nails. Uy, artist. Look at the nails. Ang ganda. This is from Wink and Bloom. Ang galing nilang gumawa doon. Navy blue.
Eh, susurrender ulit ito pagkatapos.
Alam mo naman, i-edit ko naman yan.
Asan
Punta
dyan?
tayo dito. Tayo galing. Punta tayo dito. Tapos pupunta tayo dyan. Tapos pabalik na. Station 3. Nakakaganda pala dito.
Wow, so
Pagbalik
pretty.
natin ng Manila, maganda pa kaya ako.
Ito na kami sa New Coast. Talaga may kumakanta siya, Brio. Ganda, Bri.
May team song mo yan. Dito na
Oh, look at the doggy. So cute. Hi. Hi, Beans. Hello. My collection's complete.
Kasi yung kakalaman ng anime eh.
Kakanood mo daw yun ng anime, be.
Nagtatapos ko na siya eh.
Ganda, oh. Uy,
Ito sa mini ganda eh. Ay,
Ganda?
ay, sino dyan? Yung nasa likod?
Ganda.
Ay, makakataka ka naman. Oh.
kapasok mo dyan.
I went all over summer. Spent the nights under covers, you and me. Watching how I met your mother. You know I would kill for that. But it's cool, it's whatever. Never thought that forever was our kind of thing. That shit was way too much pressure anymore, and it'd be something I no, I shouldn't call you up at 3 a.m. Could've sworn I got rid of your number. Said we're done, at least that's what I tell my friends. I just don't know anymore.
Ready na for Crystal Kayak. Tanggalin natin tong mga... Are you ready? Ayan, white na tayo, pareha.
This time it's different, I swear I'm not making up for lost time. Whatever you got me awake in the morning, I hope you start to sleep any better, like good night. I know I shouldn't call you up at 3 a.m. Could've sworn I got rid of your number. Said we're done, at least that's what I tell my friends. I just don't know anymore. But it's not my fault. I don't want with anybody else. I can't let it go. And it's not my fault.
na kami sa Puka Beach and hindi kami masyadong nag-video kasi nag-crystal kayak lang kami and quick dip. And I'm not really comfortable memorializing yung nakatupis kaming lahat. Okay? So, ayun. Tapos after nito, magbubulabog beach na kami. Go girl! Naglalabandera sa ate Kat. And I feel good kasi hindi ako nag-sunscreen. Pero kung nag-sunscreen ako, lagkit-lagkit na naman ang Frenny. So yeah, see you later.
Tumatawa kasi sila eh. Ay, pa-picture mo lang.
Yes, high blood. High blood malala.
Parang nauumay ako agad.
Okay, we're done. We're going to the cafe na. Hindi na nakapag-video ngayon na kasi pahinga lang ng very light. Okay, do the transition with me, ma. Help me, para makalis na tayo. Wala pa. Kama nga, B. B.
Ay, mga beef.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Ikaw nga yung pinaka-B eh. Yeah, we're going to Blackfish. Blackfish?
Yeah, Blackfish
Cafe.
Cafe.
Yes.
At Station 1.
We're very ready for the libre. Hey! Shout out sa boss ni Ate Kat. Boss?
Ulit niya talaga.
Boss ano?
Sir Joel.
Sir Joel. Yes! Bongga. Thank you po.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Sa Blackfish.
So, hi B. Si Batang Sinupin.
Every pretty one, babies in a sleeveless, I'm in a shoes. Babies in a taxi, I'm in his arms. Sleeping on his shoulder, whole lot of bones.
Hi
He holds me
Dip ko
every
maway ka.
road. Babies in a taxi, I'm in his arms. Oh, why did I do before you?
So, ito na yung order. This one is yung signature nila na Blackfish Matcha. Ito, Coco Matcha. This one, golden hour. Sobrang healthy. Ma-fruits yun. Orange yun. Kaya na ako. And this one is the Maroon latte. Yeah, alati.
Caramel.
Then we have this. Ito, blackfish cookies there. So good. Okay. Yes. And then this one. Walnut. May coconut caramel. So, may coconut kasi. Kaya meron kami black. And may isa pa kami, yung cranberry. Walang hintay lang namin. Ang limit lang ito ano, blackfish or signature. So, yung dalawang
Ano to, caramel?
latte.
Caramel latte.
Ay, kumit talaga ako.
So if you guys find yourself here in Boracay, try nyo dito sa Blackfish Coffee Bar. Sobrang sarap ng cookies nila. And super love this one, yung coconut caramel. Ganda ng crumbs. Super love.
Before you, oh how did I get through without you?
Sobrang pretty! Grabe, Ate B! Grabe ka naman! Ibang klase ka talaga, Moana!
Ay, gusto ko yan!
Moana! Ganda. So peaceful. Kaso baka mamaya bigla tayo mabasa-basa dito, be. Malayo pala.
What did you learn? Think how you say, watching the turn. We're stuck in my way. Say what you wanna say. Stay if you wanna stay. I'll be right here. I'll be right here. I'll be. Say what you wanna say. Stay if you wanna stay. I'll be right here. I'll be right here. I'll be.
Ay, hindi ko din ako. Wait lang, gabi. Wait lang.
Number 1 fan yan, no?
Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go, go.
Ah. Ano pangalan ng love team niyo, Ma? Mapa?
Ano? Benchong. Kami ang Benchong!
Ang ganda ng place, pero yung ano, yung humor kanal.
Wala sa place to sis.
Oo.
Walang
Ganda
ano,
ng mga damit namin, tapos yung mga pagsasabi namin, mga walang kwenta.
True. Ay, sobrang dilim mo. Come on. This is my baby for tonight. She's my date.
Dahil wala yung date niya ngayon. At wala pa akong date.
Yeah.
We're here at the front.
Yan.
How much, Mom? Saan yung camera niyo? Ha? Marvelous seafood!
Masan na una? Taas na ba? Nakalabasan siya ng camera.
Gusto mo?
Hindi samper siya. Mamaya. Naman na kayo siya. Mas? Uy, ako muna. Taas o baba? Sino na?
Saan ba yun? Diba? Diba? Diba na?
Oh.